What up? What's good? It is your girl, Lisa Rose, aka the Makeup Baby 13. Well, I'm trying to transform from the Makeup Baby 13 and over to my official business name, which is TMB Makeup Artistry, and the TMB comes from the Makeup Baby. Because when I first started this channel, that's exactly what I was. I was a baby in this game. But now when I think about it, it's the Makeup Baby. Okay. Well, this is a really cute video. Just something really short to show you guys how you can customize your eyeshadow looks by combining your pigments with your glitters. Okay. And you can show off your personality and all of that great stuff by customizing your own looks. So I've taken an illuminating powder, which is Diamond Glow in Illuminati, as you saw earlier. And that's by Artist Couture. All the information about all the products that I've used in this video will be listed, of course, in the description box below. Okay. I'm also using an oldie but goodie, which was the Sugar Pill in Lumi. Okay. Very, very retro for YouTubers from back in the day. All right. But Illuminati has this beautiful champagne base with this nice just these reflex that are just beautiful. Okay, it's illuminating powder, so it has this nice illuminating shine, right? And then the Lumi has, it's a white base, but it really comes off more of as a pearlescent finish with shimmers of blue and green, right? An iridescent type of situation, okay? And so I was really looking for something that was going to give me a nice neutral base, but with flecks of color that would pop. So that's why I chose those two colors as my base. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to mix in the different color glitters that you saw me point to earlier. So the combination, your proportions, the color that you want to be prominent or dominant, the color that you really want to just kind of shine through in the background. All right, that's how you're going to have to establish your 2-to-1 ratio or your 2-to-3 ratio, whatever the case may be. If you want it to be exactly equal, then you incorporate equal parts. Okay, you got to have some type of container to put this stuff in. So I just have a bunch of these little containers because this is what I give my clients, and I give their lip product to them when they're finished with me, okay? Or when I'm finished with them. So the most prominent color that I want in this concoction really is the silver. And I just really want the green to kind of peep through, right? So when the light shifts on the eye, you'll be able to see all the dimensions. You know, this is really trying to make something multi-dimensional, all right? That's what I'm going for. So, and once you create your concoction, you're going to have to shake it up really, really well. And then you want to actually test it out. Look at the color, look at the payoff. You want to wipe it across your skin so you're going to see how it's going to apply. And then from there, you kind of determine if this is what your desired outcome is. And if not, then you add what you need to add to make it, what it is that you need to make it. And that's about it. So here I'm using the Duo glue, and I really am looking at this and I realize that I probably put too much glue on, because when you actually apply the glue to your face, you're not going to apply that much glue, okay? But I just kind of wanted to get a feel for what the pigment glitter would look like if I were to adhere it with the Duo. The Miron mixing medium is a very, very good. Lit Cosmetics has a glitter glue that works very, very well. MAC Cosmetics has a mixing medium that works well to adhere. NYX has a glitter glue that's a base, excuse me, that works well to adhere. So whenever you're mixing the pigments with glitter, you're gonna have to use some type of adhesive, because you know glitters, it's not like eyeshadow where it's just gonna cling to the eye. You know, you're gonna have to lay it down with something. And me personally, I like the mixing medium better, um, because it gives it a new medium. It kind of makes it more of a liquidy substance. And so from there, I can apply that as a base, and then before it dries, I can pack on more color on top of that. So it kind of gives it gives a fuller finish than when I use the glue. But either one, I mean, it's really up to you. You can use what you want to use. So here I'm just showing you all. This is another video that I'm going to put out of this eye look that I created. But I just kind of wanted to use this to somewhat cut the crease. Not really cutting the crease, but somewhat, yes. Okay, a partial cut crease situation. But I just wanted that color to kind of be in the inner corner of the eye and kind of be the star of this look. So, excuse my red eyes, all right? But here's the finished product. Thank you so much for rocking with your girl. I really appreciate the time. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya, babes.